Hello and welcome again. Another video about the Downliner, the best cooperative traffic exchange. Drive targeted traffic to your website today. Increase your search results. That's the homepage of the Downliner community. We have 40k thousand, as you see here, members. A lot of members join the Downliner. It's a traffic coop exchange. The standard is free membership, 3 campaign limit, 2-1 earning rate. Go-getter is the best choice, $9.97, and serious marketer is the best one, $90.97. You can upgrade on it. Click on sign in here. The sign up process is very simple, so I click on sign in. This is the sign in. Click on login. And this is the dashboard of the Downliner. This is the dashboard of the Downliner website. And let's go to add some credit to my link and how to add the links to the Downliner or TDL 4.0. You can see here how much traffic coming in the news bar. Here, the traffic coming from all traffic exchanges, as you see. Click on promote and go to affiliate links, open it like that, and here we have affiliate links here. Open it. Here cooperative links. This is the link to earn credit. This link, your cooperative link, is the only link you can use to earn your shop points. Okay, this is link. You can put it on traffic exchanges to earn points. Look at it when I open the link in a new tab. Look, Earnest earned 0.15 points showing this page. And this page you have to add it on many traffic exchanges to earn points on the Downliner. This page earn you points on the Downliner. This page is the cooperative links. This is splash page to earn a referral, home page to earn a referral, your custom page to get referrals, and this cooperative link is to earn points to get points on the website. This is the banner ads, this is button ads. You can add it on your website. Partner resources. This is the code. You can add also to your website or blog. That's it. Here advertising. Click on campaign. Advertising and campaign. Advertising, campaign. This is my campaign. As you see, I have added 3. Website is the limit. The limit is 3 for free members. I have added 3 websites. Look, when I click on add campaign, add a direct link, you have added the maximum number of campaigns for your membership level. Please remove some before adding other or upgrade. For example, here I have added my website. I click on added views here. I will click on added views on that leads lip link. Added views, and here campaign is the name of campaign is lead sleep, and I will add 30,000 credits. Now I will click on it. Look at here, view added successfully, views added successfully, and look at here, 30,000 added successfully. And here the daily limit. The daily limit is 215. You can maximize it or minimize it. For example, I need 200. I need 200 visits every day. Max daily views currently set at 200. I need 200. That's it. 200. You can add views on other links like that. I click on the dashboard to go to the dashboard. This is the dashboard of TDL. As you see here, the 0 here views remaining. Before it was 0, now 2999. Here you can shop bypass required views, clear for 1000 points, or TDL super solo, or buy 1000 points, 50,000 points for $50, 100,000 points for $50, as you see. That's it. And here the remaining views is 29,999 views, because I have added views to the link. That is. Go to the statistics or stats. This is the statistics of the downliner. As you see here, I got traffic from Big Ears Traffic Exchange, Hungry for It, Submit Alpha Free, Servbash, and many other traffic exchanges. I added my co-op link to those traffic exchange to get points to my account. Click here on promote. This is the link. I would repeat it. This is the link, cooperative link. This link you have to copy it and paste it on all your traffic exchanges you are in. The traffic exchanges you are in, copy this link and paste it on all the traffic exchanges to get hits to this link. Here, free membership, click on it and go to upgrade. The go-getter is the best, but here autoresponder is not included. Autoresponder is not included here. The best one is $90.97 per month, or $270 per year. This is the best because all is included and the autoresponder integration is included. Here, purchase plan or this plan. The plan number 2 and the plan number 4 is the best plans. Purchase plan or purchase plan, and plan number 2 and number 4 is the best plans. That's it. So I think everything is clear for the downliner. Go ahead and put your link on our traffic exchanges, get points and promote. Thank you for watching. See you next time.